Discord is a popular voice and text chat app for gamers that can be used on PC, Mac, iOS, Android, and in a web browser. But what happens if you want to leave Discord? In this video, I will show you how to log out of your Discord account on PC. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. To get started, let's open up the Discord desktop application, and then, when you are on this screen, click on the gear icon at the bottom left of the screen to go to User Settings. And then when you are on the User Settings screen, scroll down, and at the very bottom left, there is an option called Logout. So if you want to log out of your Discord account, simply click on it, and then click on Logout. And boom, now you have successfully logged out of your Discord account on your PC. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.